third grade, there are many terms related to computation. As you continue to learn about place value and begin to explore multiplication and division, these vocabulary words appear often. Bar model. A way to represent values using rectangles. They are useful because we can see what happens with values, and they help us understand many types of math problems. Estimate. To make an educated guess about something or a value that is close without actually counting or calculating the exact answer. Compose. Putting together smaller numbers or shapes to create a larger one. Decompose. To break apart a whole number or shape into smaller parts. Add or addition. The process of combining two or more numbers to find a total. Addends. Any number added together in an addition problem. Sum. The result of an addition problem. Subtract or subtraction. A math operation where you take one number away from another to find the remaining amount. Minuend. The starting number of a subtraction problem. Subtrahend. The value being subtracted or removed in a subtraction problem. Difference. The result of a subtraction problem. Compare. In math, look at two or more numbers to determine their relationship to each other of being greater than, less than, or equal to. This involves using symbols like to show which number is larger, smaller, or the same as another. Greater than. The first number is larger than the second, we say it is greater than. Less than. If the first number is smaller than the second number, we say it is less than. Equal. When two numbers have the same value, they are equal. Array. A way to arrange objects in equal rows and columns to show an organized pattern. It is a visual tool to help understand repeated addition, as you can count the items in each row or column and add them up to find the total. Row. A horizontal arrangement of objects going side to side. Column. A vertical line of things arranged one above the other from top to bottom. Double. To increase an amount by itself. For example, doubling 3 means to combine 3 with another 3, while doubling 15 means combining 15 with 15. Equal groups. Arranging a set of objects into groups where each group contains the same number of objects. Equation. A number sentence that shows two statements are equal, using an equal sign. Expression. A math statement that shows numbers and operations. It doesn't always have an equal sign, like 5 plus 7 minus 2. Factor. A whole number that divides into another number without a leftover amount. A factor of 12 is 3, because 3 times 4 is 12. Multiple. A value that results from multiplying a number by another number. The first 6 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30. Product. The result of a multiplication problem. The product of 2 and 3 is 6. Repeated addition. adding the same number to itself over and over, like 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Repeated addition is another way to think about multiplication. Twice. Doubling a number or multiplying by 2. Twice 9 is 18. Round. An estimation strategy using close numbers that are easier to use. For example, if we round 58 to the nearest tens, we get 60. When we look at the numbers between 50 and 60, 58 is closer to 60. Rounding helps us estimate or work with easier numbers. Algorithm. A set of ordered steps that lets you solve a problem or complete a task. For example, you can think about brushing your teeth as an algorithm. Open the toothpaste, apply to toothbrush, brush your top teeth, brush the bottom teeth, spit, rinse, then put everything away and clean up. Dividend. In a division problem, this is the number being divided up or shared fairly. Divisor. In a division problem, this is the number of groups the dividend is being divided across. Regroup. The process of putting together or breaking apart a number using place value. We do this when we add and get a result greater than 10 for a place value. We also do this when we subtract and need to take away more than what is available in our place value. Quotient. The result of a division problem. Even and odd numbers. Numbers that can be divided into two equal groups and those that cannot.